guys, welcome to another HiFi Jedi video. Today is a first. I don't normally do unboxing videos, but I've had a lot of requests. There's been a lot of hype around this bad boy. I'm sure you can, take a wild guess what's inside here. With Apple's, with Alexa, Google Smart Speaker. Did you really think that Siri wasn't coming to the party, albeit fashionably late? Unboxings, quite frankly, typically bore me a bit. But again, I've had so many requests about this guy that I figured, okay, we'll do an unboxing. Don't worry, we're still going to do a full detailed video review, which you can check out in the link below. Also, make sure to subscribe because we've got a ton of other great, wireless speaker reviews. And today we're just going to do the unboxing. So let's, quit the small talk and let's just get into this bad boy. All right, let's get this thing unboxed. That's one of the great things about Apple. Don't really need your knife. They've got all the perfect little setup here to unbox one of these. Pretty darn easy. I think that's one of the only interesting things about Apple is at least they keep their packaging interesting. If it was another brand, it'd be a lot more basic. Okay, that came off easy. All right, obviously we went for the black one. All right, this thing has got some serious weight to it, so that's a good sign. That is a very good sign. All right, so, just look at the way that they twist around the cord. That's kind of like a piece of art right there. So let's take this off carefully. Snap that off. Be interesting to see if I could actually get this back the same way it came in. All right. And we've got a protective covering at the top here. Apparently, Siri's got her little magic glow thing there, like Space Odyssey 2010. So far, definitely like the weight of this thing. It feels quality. And it smells good. Love that fresh electronic smell from Taiwan, or I don't know where it's made. Of course, designed in California, but I'm sure made in China, as everything else is. But hey, they're probably making the best stuff these days. All right, so designed by Apple in California, we know that. Some stickers in here for all you hipsters. You could put these on the back of your hybrid cars or your single gear bicycles. All right, and I guess we could have some things hidden in here. No, nothing under there. So I guess the only insert is really this little guy here, which I'm carefully trying to open. Okay, doesn't need opening. Silly me. Instructions. It's good that it's only a couple steps. Again, we'll get into some of that in the full in-depth review. Can't forget that hipster sticker. And there you have it. That is the HomePod unboxed. So I don't know how riveting that is for many of you guys, but it definitely looks pretty darn cool, and I'm anxious to plug this guy in and test it. So, also interesting to note, there isn't one plug on this guy. So once again, Apple prefers to limit options, go for aesthetics first and usability last. So if you had no battery in your phone or whatever, or you wanted to plug something in direct, too bad, not for you. All right, guys, well, there you have it. That is the HomePod unwrapped or unboxed. So I hope that was as good for you as it was for me. Yeah, looking forward to getting into this guy for the in-depth review. I think that's when it's going to be most interesting. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Check the link below to the full review on this guy. It's going to be coming up very shortly if you don't see it already. And we've got a ton of other reviews, so subscribe below. You'll see all the new upcoming wireless speaker reviews as well. We're doing a lot of headphone reviews. And thanks for checking out this video.